So today, I brought you something. What if I tell you can ace your job interview, be the best at your job, without doing so much work, with one tiny little device? This is the Mobvoi TicNote. Let's unbox it first, and then I'll tell you its little secret. So the unboxing experience is quite simple. You get the device itself on the side, and then you have this little pocket here with a USB charger. This is not a USB-C charger because it has this special charger which connects wirelessly to our device. And then we have the device itself, as you can see here, is the Mobvoi TicNote AI Recorder. It's really slick, it's really slim, and it has so much features, so let's talk about them.
2 weeks later.
So it does come in a little tiny wallet here. It is MagSafe compatible, so it will stick to any iPhone, but for Android, as you can see here, this is my S21 Ultra. It just falls off, but it does come with a ring that you can stick on the phone, so this wallet can stick to. So how much can you record with this little tiny thing? You can record up to 800 hours of audio because of the built-in storage of 64 gigabytes. But where do all these features come from? It's just a little thing with 2 buttons right here and there. So all your features will be inside this app, and it's so easy to connect. You press the start button right there, and then this sign will show up. Click connect right there. After you click connect, your device will show there, and then you can click connect, and then it will show you if you want to look at the guide, and the guide will just show you how to use the recorder. So after you connected your particular recorder, you can see it here in the app. As you can see, we have the battery level and a record button that you can turn on manually from the app. But if you want to record using the device, all you need to do is turn it on. The device will turn on, then you have this button right here. If you press it for 2 seconds, as you can see here, it will start recording. And this is the recording now being done automatically from this device and passing to your app. Okay, so let me show you quickly how it works. Hello, how are you doing? How are you doing? We are good today filming a YouTube video. Then you get the recording instantly on your phone. So one of the features that I like to use is the noise reduction and AI voice enhancement. So this is supposed to clean the voice around you when you're recording. So we're gonna record now and test it out. So let's turn it on. You press for 2 seconds, it's gonna turn on. Now it's recording already. So we are recording a YouTube video for the Mobvoi TicNote application. And then we're gonna test the quality of the voice and then with the AI enhancement to see the difference. Let's look at it now. So the recording, of course, instantly shows up on your phone, and we can listen to it now with no voice enhancement whatsoever. Let's try this one. YouTube video for the Mobvoi TicNote application. And then we're gonna test the quality of the voice. So as you can see here, there's some problems with the voice. So there's an option right there, as you can see. If we press this one, and then we can choose how high you want to enhance the voice. So let's go with the highest one possible, right there. And there it is. Let's hear it. YouTube video for the Mobvoi TicNote application. And then we're gonna test the quality of the voice and then with the AI enhancement. So it looks like it did clear the voice quite a lot, but the voice does sound somewhat robotic somehow. I think this is the excessive noise cancelling, but I'm glad for this feature because sometimes you're recording a meeting or somewhere outside and there is a lot of noise around you, and this will get rid of all of it. So after you're done recording, you can easily get a summary of the recording in writing. So this is the transcribe feature. If you press it, it will ask you that will use the AI to transcribe it, and then you click generate, and then it will be generating your transcript. Then you will have your transcript right there. Well, you don't have it right there because it actually takes a few minutes to get your transcription, but as you can see here, it's ready and it's transcribed everything I said in the video. Another feature that it has, it can record 2 people or 3 or 4 or 5 people at the same time and distinguish between the voices and the transcript. So we're gonna test it right now. I'm gonna speak to my wife and we'll see if it detects both our voices and put 2 speakers in this conversation. Let's try it now. Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
So I'm recording this voice recorder that uses AI. What do you think about this feature? This tiny device right there, it uses AI at the same time that will transcribe.
That's pretty cool. What's the main purpose of this?
So this is mainly for meetings or vlogging, YouTube videos, or anything you want it to be, and it can easily stick at the back of your phone. So as you can see, it did record 2 speakers there, and you can actually click on one of those speakers and it's gonna speak. So this is mainly for meetings or vlogging. Thanks for taking part in the video. That's pretty cool. What's also cool is when you record, every audio recording will get a title from AI, so you don't get mixed up between your recordings. It will give them a name and they will be neatly ordered in this app. So what separates this very very thin recorder from other recorders in the market that use AI. Well, this one supports over 100 languages. So I'm going to speak in a different language right now and record it. So let's go. السلام عليكم، أنا علي الدراوي. هنا أستخدم برنامج التيك واتش حتى أسجل صوت بوضوح عالي جدا. So when you end up and you click transcribe and then you generate, it's going to ask you which language you want to pick. As you can see here, we have so many languages, but I just spoke in Arabic. So let's click Arabic and transcribe it and see if it gets it right. And as you can see here, it is perfectly transcribed in Arabic, which gives us a chance to test our feature, which can translate. So if you have the off, if you press right there, then you have a translating feature. Let's say translate to another language. Then we're going to press English and then it's going to do our translation. And there you go. As you can see here, my text is now translated to English. This is fantastic. And there are other features that I didn't get to use so much because I'm not in so many meetings, but these features could be very useful. For example, the summarize feature. This will give you a summary of everything that happened in the meeting, the key points and everything. And then also you can go to a minimap, which will give you a full minimap of exactly how the meeting adjourned and how did it flow. And also you will get an aha moment. It will basically detect if there is some revelation in the meeting, something that is very important that you need to know. And then also you have deep research, will give you a full research after the meeting. So everything that's been talked about and the important parts, and it will do research for you. And then we have the last one, which is podcast mode, which will basically detect two speakers and generate a podcast from the recording. So the Mobvoi TicNote does have so many AI features, but are they actually any good? So we are in a meeting right now. Our TicNote is ready. We're going to record the whole meeting with the TicNote and see what it does. So we finished our meeting about product sales and everything is ready right now on the app, but it doesn't stop there because you can access all of this on the web app. So if you sign in with your account on the web app, you get everything that you have on the phone. So as you can see here, this is the meeting that we just went through. And then we have a transcript also ready right there. As you can see, every speaker is identified and everything they said is also identified. And then you have your mind map. It's easier to see the mind map here. As you can see here, you can zoom in, look at everything, and then look around at the key points of this meeting, and everything is organized really, really well. And your research, so you can start a research here. Just like that, our research is ready about the meeting, but also you have your assistant right there. So you can ask it anything about the meeting. So we're going to ask it, what is the meeting about? So as you can see, we got a detailed response about what is the meeting about, but it's really useful because it has access to the whole meeting. So what are my thoughts about this voice recorder that comes packed with AI features and it's very slim and it's easy to carry? So who is it for? That's the question. I think this is mostly for people who go into a lot of meetings, who do interviews and do a lot of podcasting and long videos. For recording purposes, I think the audio is acceptable, but it's not the best audio out there. I think my phone right now is recording better audio than this tiny device. I think mainly because it's really small and thin, but this is not for recording a YouTube video and using this as your main source of audio. So is the Mobvoi TicNote worth it? I say yes, it's definitely worth it if it fits your use case. If you go into a lot of meetings or if you do interviews or anything, or anything with a long talk, this is going to be fantastic for you. If you want to use this for recording audio, just generally for YouTube or for multimedia use, then this is not the best recorder out there. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching TA Tech, and I hope you subscribe after watching this video and catch you again in the next one.